everyone, welcome to our channel Maths with Manya. So today we are going to discuss sample question paper of class 12th session 2021 and 2022 released by CBSE for term 1. The subject code is 041. So these were the instructions that were given in the sample paper. You all must be knowing. The time allowed is 90 minutes, that is 1.5 hours. Maximum marks is 40. In this question paper, there are 3 sections, section A, section B, and section C. Each part is compulsory. Section A has 20 MCQs. Any 16 out of 20 has to be attempted. Section B also has 20 MCQs and any 16 out of 20 has to be attempted. And section C has 10 MCQs, which is case study based, and only 8 has to be attempted out of 10. There is no negative marking. All questions carry equal marks. That is 1 mark. So let's start with the first section. That is section A and the first question, which is on our screen. So the first question says, find the value of some equation that is given. Okay. So let's write sine pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus half. So this is from inverse trigonometry. So we can write sine pi by 3 माइनस का प्लस हो जाएगा क्योंकि साइन इनवर्स माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस साइन इनवर्स एक्स. Sine inverse and sine is half at sine pi by 6. So we could write sine pi by 3 plus pi by 6, which is equal to sine 2 pi plus pi upon 6, which is equal to sine 3 pi upon 6, which is equal to sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 is 1. So option B is our correct option. I hope you all have understood this question. So let's move to the second question. Second question is a bit lengthy question. No problem. It is given that this function fx is continuous at x is equal to 0 for what value of k? We need to find the value of k. So this is from C&D, continuity and differentiability. So 1 minus cos kx upon x sin x, limit x tends to 0, should be equal to half according to question. Okay. So we need to change 1 minus cos kx in terms of sine so that some limit formula can be applied. Okay. So we know that cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. So we could write 2 sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x and sine square x. ओके 1 माइनस कॉस 2x. ठीक है, इतना ही चाहिए हमें. अब हमें 1 माइनस कॉस 2x को इसके टर्म्स में लिखना है. 1 माइनस कॉस kx को इस तरीके से लिखना है. तो हम इसे लिख सकते हैं 2 साइन स्क्वायर kx बाय 2 अपॉन x साइन x, और ये लिमिट x टेंड्स टू 0 चलनी है यहाँ पर. ठीक है. So 2 sine square kx by 2 upon k square x square by 4 into k square x square by 4. और x sin x अपॉन x इंटू x कर दिया. क्यों? क्योंकि हमें पता है साइन x अपॉन x limit x tends to 0 is 1. So now this function is 1. So what we are left is 2 into k square x square by 4 upon, and this is also 1. We are left with this. 2 से cancel हो गया, तो we are left with k square x square upon 2x square. x square से x square cancel हो गया, और RHS में हमारे पास चल रहा था हाफ. 2 से 2 cancel हो गया, तो k square आ गया हमारे पास 1. k की वैल्यू आइडली आनी चाहिए +1 and -1. But if you don't read the question carefully, then the answer, you would write the answer wrong. We need to find the value of k which is less than 0. So the value of k which is less than 0 is -1. So third question says if A is equal to Aij is a square matrix of order 2 such that Aij is equal to 1 when I is not equal to j and 0 when I is equal to j. Okay. So we are having this A, B, C, and D, a 2 cross 2 matrix. A is 1 comma 1. B, C, D. Let's write A12, A21, second row first column, second row second column, A first row first column, first row second column. Okay. This is the matrix which has been talked in the question. So उसने बोले कि जब I is not equal to j, the value is 1. When I is not equal to j, the value is 1. When I is equal to j, the value is 0. 1 and 0. We need to find the value of 0, 1, 1, 0 again. Multiplying this by this. This is our matrix A. Okay. This is matrix A, which has been given in the question. Now what we need to find? We need to find A square. So A square would be A square is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0 into 0, 1, 1, 0. When you would multiply this by this, you would get 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. That is option D is correct answer. Now what twist it can bring in the paper or in this question is it can give in some power of 2, that is a की power 4. So you can write a square का square. तो ये इसका square आपको फिर निकालना पड़ेगा. You just need to a की power 4 अगर उसने बोला तो आप उसे a square का square में तोड़ सकते हो. Something in the power 2. So this type of question can also be framed. Let's move to the fourth question. We are going to solve 10 questions in this part of sample paper solving, and next 10 questions in another part. So the answer 4 says that for what value of k, A is a singular matrix. A matrix whose 0 is a singular matrix. So let's A is equal to K8 4 to K. 2k square minus 32 should be equal to 0. 2k square is equal to 32, so k square is equal to 16. K is equal to plus minus 4. So the correct answer is option C. Hope this question is also clear to you. Let's move to the fifth question. Fifth question says find the intervals in which the function fx is strictly increasing. We need to find the intervals in which the function fx is strictly increasing. fx हमें given है x square minus 4x plus 6. You all must have observed that the paper, sample paper given by CBSE is a bit direct paper. मतलब कुछ घुमा फिरा के उसने नहीं दिया, पेपर में भी नहीं पूछेगा घुमा फिरा के. So we all should chill. 2x minus 4. For increasing and decreasing, you can write here f dash x should be equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. So we can make the number line. Here is 2, here is plus infinity, here is negative infinity. So we just need to put the values and see, and you will observe this is positive and this is negative. So the interval in which it is increasing in the interval 2 comma positive infinity. So the correct answer is option B. Hope this question is clear to you, and it was a bit direct question. So this question was from C and D, continuity and differentiability. The above question was from matrix, chapter matrix. This was also from chapter matrix. And the next questions we have written. So now the sixth question says, given that A is a square matrix of order 3, A is a square matrix of order 3, modulus A is equal to -4, then adjacent A is equal to. We know that adjacent A is equal to modulus A raised to power n minus 1, where n is the order of matrix. So modulus A, what is the order? 3 minus 1. Modulus A ka square would be is equal to adjacent A, so it would be 16. Option D is the correct answer. That was a bit direct question. Let's move to the seventh question. It was again from matrix. This question is from relation function. A relation R in set A is defined as R is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, and 3, 3. Which of the following order pair in R shall be removed to make it an equivalence relation in A? Okay, the order pair which should be removed in to make an equivalence relation, that is 1, 2. So it was also a very direct question, and it is a very known question, popular question. It used to come earlier as a subjective when the subjective paper was also there. We just need to equate the matrices. This matrix is given to equal to this matrix. So 2A plus B would be equal to 4. 5C minus D would be equal to 11. A minus 2B is equal to minus ka 3. Okay. So what we do is 2A minus 4B is equal to minus 6. We have multiplied this by 2. 2A minus 4B is equal to minus 6. Minus positive and positive again. This is 5B is equal to 10. So B is coming out to be equal to 2. When B is coming out to equal to 2, 2A plus 5 is 2A plus 2 is equal to 4. 2A is equal to 2. So A is equal to 1. Okay. And we are having another equation, 4C plus 3D is equal to 24. So we can write 5C minus 15C minus 3D is equal to 33, and 4C plus 3D is equal to 24. This will get cancelled, and this is 19C is equal to 58. So the value of C is coming out to be, it has to be 57. So the value of C would be 3. So when you would solve, the value of D would come out to be 4. So we need to find the value of A plus B plus A plus B minus C plus 2D. So the value of A we are having is 1. The value of B we have solved is 2. Value of C is minus 3 plus 2 into D की value है हमारे पास 4. So the answer would come out to be 8. The option A is correct. This was also a very direct question, but a bit lengthy question. No problem. Let's move to the ninth question. Second last question of this video. It is given that The point at which the normal to the curve y is equal to x plus x is perpendicular to the line this. Perpendicular to the line this, fx is equal to x plus 1 upon x. So the f dash x would be equal to 1 plus minus 1 upon x square. Derivative of 1 upon x is equal to minus 1 upon x. Why? You all should know this. If you don't know, please write it somewhere and remember it for the future reference. Okay. So the normal is perpendicular to this curve. The point at which the normal is perpendicular to this curve. Perpendicular to this curve. So the normal ये है हमारे पास तो 1x square minus 1 upon x square. I have just solved it and written x square minus 1 upon x square into 3 by 4 should be equal to minus 1. Okay. So x square minus 1 into 3 is equal to minus 4x square. 3x square minus 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 4x square. There is some calculation error. Wait, let's do once again. We are having x square upon 1 minus x square into 3 by 4 equal to minus 1. ओके जब दोनों के स्लोप्स हमने इक्वेट करके माइनस वन इक्वल रख दिए क्योंकि वो है क्या बोलते हैं m1 डॉट m2 इज इक्वल टू माइनस वन व्हेन इट इज गिवन परपेंडिकुलर. ठीक है. सो 3x स्क्वायर वुड बी इक्वल टू minus 4 1 minus x square. So 3x square is equal to minus 4 plus 4x square. X square is equal to 4. X is equal to plus minus 2. But it is given x is greater than 0 in the question. Here it is given x is greater than equal to 0. Greater than 0, so it would be x is equal to 2. Okay. When you would put x equal to here, you would get 2 plus 1 upon 2, which is equal to 4 5 by 2. So it would be option A would be the correct answer, 2 comma 5 by 2. That was a bit direct question. Let's move to the 10th question. It is from inverse trigo. Sin tan inverse x. तो आपको बस tan inverse x को किसी तरह sin में चेंज करना है तो वो ट्रायंगल याद होगा आपको. tan x perpendicular upon base x upon 1 तो ये इधर आ जाएगा x square plus 1. ठीक है. तो इधर आगे sin inverse perpendicular क्या होगा आपका x upon hypotenuse क्या होगा अंडर रूट x square plus 1. ठीक है. तो इसको आप जब सॉल्व करोगे तो आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा x upon अंडर रूट x square plus 1. That is option D. So we have solved the 10 questions of this sample paper. So let's meet in the next series, next part of solving this sample paper. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thank you so much.